so case 2 is you want to add adverbs. Okay, adverbs which are like time based. Okay, which are telling, which are defining the verbs. Okay, so let's say you want to say when, वो कब बोलने लगा, वो और वह अभी अभी. What is abhi abhi? Very good, right? Abhi abhi is right now. वो right now, वो अभी अभी बोलने लगा. He just started speaking. Okay? Or he just started walking. वो अभी अभी चलने लगा. You want to say suddenly he started screaming. So you can say वह चीखने लगा और वह चिल्लाने लगा. Let's do some more practice of adverb with this. So far we did abhi abhi, suddenly, which is achanak. Slowly or gradually he started to think or he started thinking. धीरे धीरे वो सोचने लगा. Oftentimes, Hindi speakers will change the position. They will start with the adverb itself. Let's add more to it. Any other adjectives you guys can think of. After some time he started to leave. कुछ समय के बाद वो जाने लगी. More formally it would be कुछ समय, but it's very formal and it's like instead of के बाद it's basically पश्चात. Okay, वह और वो. I would just use the same verb actually. वो जाने लगी